Have you ever stood in silence, not knowing what to say in English? You understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. The silence feels heavy, awkward, uncomfortable. Today, we fix that. By the end of this video, you will never run out of things to say. Let's begin. How to practice. Repeat each sentence out loud. Speak clearly. Move your mouth slowly. Do not translate. Just listen and repeat. Confidence grows with repetition. Now let's start. Part 1. Starting a conversation. Hi, how's your day going? Hi, how's your day going? Hi, how's your day going? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? What brings you here today? What brings you here today? What brings you here today? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? How do you know the host? How do you know the host? How do you know the host? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? That's a great question. That's a great question. That's a great question. I was just thinking the same thing. I was just thinking the same thing. I was just thinking the same thing. I've heard a lot about this place. I've heard a lot about this place. I've heard a lot about this place. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. It's been a busy week. It's been a busy week. It's been a busy week. I'm glad we finally met. I'm glad we finally met. I'm glad we finally met. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What do you think so far? What do you think so far? What do you think so far? It's great talking with you. It's great talking with you. It's great talking with you. Part 2. Keeping the conversation alive. Really? That's amazing. Really? That's amazing. Really? That's amazing. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That must be exciting. That must be exciting. That must be exciting. How did you get into that? How did you get into that? How did you get into that? What do you enjoy most about it? What do you enjoy most about it? What do you enjoy most about it? That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. I completely agree. I completely agree. I completely agree. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. I've never thought about it like that. I've never thought about it like that. I've never thought about it like that. That sounds challenging. That sounds challenging. That sounds challenging. What happened next? What happened next? What happened next? That's impressive. That's impressive. That's impressive. I can relate to that. I can relate to that. I can relate to that. I've had a similar experience. I've had a similar experience. I've had a similar experience. That must have been difficult. That must have been difficult. That must have been difficult. What would you recommend? What would you recommend? What would you recommend? How did you feel about it? How did you feel about it? How did you feel about it? That's good to know. That's good to know. That's good to know. I appreciate you sharing that. I appreciate you sharing that. I appreciate you sharing that. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me. If you're still here, you're doing great. Speaking naturally is not about big words. It's about simple phrases used confidently. Keep going. You are training your speaking muscles. Now let's continue. Part 3. Sharing about yourself. I usually enjoy meeting new people. I usually enjoy meeting new people. I usually enjoy meeting new people. I'm a little shy at first. I'm a little shy at first. I'm a little shy at first. I love learning about different cultures. I love learning about different cultures. I love learning about different cultures. I've been trying to improve my English. I've been trying to improve my English. I've been trying to improve my English. I'm working on becoming more confident. I'm working on becoming more confident. I'm working on becoming more confident. I recently started a new project. I recently started a new project. I recently started a new project. I enjoy spending time with friends. I enjoy spending time with friends. I enjoy spending time with friends. I'm always curious about new ideas. I'm always curious about new ideas. I'm always curious about new ideas. I try to stay positive. I try to stay positive. I try to stay positive. I enjoy meaningful conversations. I enjoy meaningful conversations. I enjoy meaningful conversations. Part 4. Handling awkward moments. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. Let me think for a second. That's a good question. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'm not sure, but I think. I'm not sure, but I think. I'm not sure, but I think. I need a moment to think. I need a moment to think. I need a moment to think. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. I've never thought about that before. I've never thought about that before. I've never thought about that before. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Part 5. Continuing the conversation. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? That sounds really fun. That sounds really fun. That sounds really fun. How did you get interested in that? How did you get interested in that? How did you get interested in that? I've always wanted to try that. I've always wanted to try that. I've always wanted to try that. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? Do you enjoy living here? Do you enjoy living here? Do you enjoy living here? What's your favorite place around here? What's your favorite place around here? What's your favorite place around here? That's good to hear. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. I totally understand that. I totally understand that. I totally understand that. That must keep you busy. That must keep you busy. That must keep you busy. What are your plans for the future? What are your plans for the future? What are your plans for the future? That sounds like a great goal. That sounds like a great goal. That sounds like a great goal. I hope everything works out for you. I hope everything works out for you. I hope everything works out for you. That's really inspiring. That's really inspiring. That's really inspiring. I'm glad you shared that with me. I'm glad you shared that with me. I'm glad you shared that with me. It's always nice to meet positive people. It's always nice to meet positive people. It's always nice to meet positive people. You seem very passionate about it. You seem very passionate about it. You seem very passionate about it. That's something I admire. That's something I admire. That's something I admire. I'd love to hear more about that. I'd love to hear more about that. I'd love to hear more about that. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. Part 6. Ending the conversation naturally. It was really nice talking to you. It was really nice talking to you. It was really nice talking to you. I enjoyed our conversation. I enjoyed our conversation. I enjoyed our conversation. I hope we can talk again soon. I hope we can talk again soon. I hope we can talk again soon. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. It was great meeting you. It was great meeting you. It was great meeting you. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. Thanks for the conversation. Thanks for the conversation. Thanks for the conversation. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your time. It was a pleasure talking with you. It was a pleasure talking with you. It was a pleasure talking with you. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. Let's grab coffee sometime. Let's grab coffee sometime. Let's grab coffee sometime. That was a great chat. That was a great chat. That was a great chat. I'm glad we talked. I'm glad we talked. I'm glad we talked. I'll see you around. I'll see you around. I'll see you around. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. It was nice getting to know you. It was nice getting to know you. It was nice getting to know you. I feel more confident already. I feel more confident already. I feel more confident already. If you finished this session, you just trained your speaking muscles. Awkward silence disappears when confidence grows, and confidence grows with repetition. Come back tomorrow. Your English is changing. Slowly, naturally, powerfully. See you in day 9.